Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're having chayote for dinner.
You like sayote?
Yeah.
A lot. Tati also likes sayote, right?
Mhm.
Not feeling well like that. But Tati is not feeling well. Tati loves sayote.
Yeah. June.
What about you,
Or tastier one.
Yeah. Comment. Comment so I will know.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Keep talking, kuya. When you're a baby, you used to talk a lot.
Good tastier one. Write it down. Write it down in the comments.
So I will know.
Let me.
Papa,
Uh,
in our next worksheet, we're gonna do division.
okay, good job me.
Which one da?
Division.
What division?
Division.
In your math?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Next worksheet.
Second reading division?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Are you ready?
No.
No,
Ah,
I
you
can't
like
do it.
math, right?
Because that division, if you are expert in multiplication, that's the only opposite of the division. Just sit there.
So tell me, what's your favorite subject?
Math.
Wow. Really?
Yup.
You like Papa? Papa, is not your favorite subject?
Wait lang anak. Ay, alam mo kung makakain.
Hmm? Good. Good, tasty or what? I said, good, tasty or what? You have to finish eating. We'll watch again movie.
Good tastier one. Write it down in the comments so I'll know.
Dami natin pagkain. Yung ano pa naman na sala, Tati bukas, you have to bring the delicacy of your country.
Chinese lang.
Dami na.
I'm
Oh,
Japan,
Sabi,
right?
ayun no? Yung pan, tsaa,
Mama.
yung tea.
Mama, I'm Japan, right?
Siyempre sa bata. You're Japan, you're China also, but you don't need to bring anything. Shanghai. Pansit, di ba?
Noodles.
Noodles. Shumai. Ay.
Sumay. Dim sum. Sayang si Tati, vlog sana tayo ng sayo. Kaya mo lang yan. Kita na sarili. Hey. Hello. Dami kuya, oh.
Kumaway.
Bayad sa vlog.
Kunti lang pala yung ano.
Rice is scam lang pala yung.
Kaya mo ni Simon.
Why? Why? More?
More daw.
More sayote?
No,
It's
this
this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna save it. Can I have more carne?
It's hard to find. This is ground pork kasi.
Ground pork. Pork ground. Ground pork.
Remote na lang. Makakakain na tayo ng fresh na baboy.
Mama,
At manok.
Mama,
Mm.
I wanted scrambled eggs.
With cheese, of course.
With cheese or no cheese, I wanted scrambled eggs.
Okay. Tomorrow, lunch.
Yeah, but with cheese.
Hindi. Your breakfast na lang. Egg, partner, bread.
What?
Yeah, that's the...
Eh, gusto niya rice.
Kaya nga. Ang gutom to. Madali siya kumain papa eh.
Roll.
Kaya ano more.
Kaya nga sabi niya, eat.
Eat na. Tambay-tambay lang kayo doon. Sabi niya, bakit hindi pa ito tumatayo yung mga kurimaw?
Gutom na talaga.
Hindi ko lang masabi kasi minsan ayaw kong kumain eh. Kasi ngayon ako ang magyayaya. Baka kantsawan ako.
Kaya dala nito.
Dito yan, binili. Kay Mala.
Kape.
Ganito pa lang, no? Kaya, dala tayo. Maaga pa lang, mag-ano na ako, mag-ready na ako, hindi yung paalis na. Kasi pagpasalubong ko sa ano ko bilhin, Robinson, para social na kapak. Hindi lang nila alam na yung akin nakabilad. Hindi magbibilad.
Yung pasalubong na yun sa ano, di ba may ano yun?
Papak na. Si Besti nag-birthdayan sa Pinas. May lechon. Sana all. Hindi ka pa ng pagkalechon. Papa, pwede ko kuha mo akong tubig. Nahiya akong dumaan eh.
Okay.
It's just there.
Oh, there was my duster. Uy!
Oh no, sorry.
Don't do like that. Enough na the rice ha. Eat the ulam.
Very good.
May patis-tis. Malalaman. Kain ka na. It gonna change kasi the taste if you put cheese. Turon tayo pa lang. Masisira na yun.
Saan yung oil ng turon?
Yung sa yellow.
No.
Baso to natin pa lang. Basag pa ang isa. Mabilis kasi siya mabasag sa mga ganito.
Tingnan lang.
Ang malala ito, di ba? Grabing pino yung bakal.
Oh.
Pero matagal ay mabasag.
Kaya yung binili ko. Mura lang yan. Nagpa-uwi ako niyan sa Pinas eh. Kumusta kaya yun? Malalaman talaga. Sabay-sabay talaga natin i-witness papa yung back. Unahin natin yung Makati.
Ay, o,
Mama.
dalawa pala yung ano yung
Mama,
Apat!
Mama,
apat lahat.
Mama, what do you
Dalawang
call a
malapad
cow with no legs?
Kulig.
Wrong. Ground beef.
Again.
yan. Sinabi niya yun sa akin.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
With no legs.
Yeah, I said cow leg. Cow leg.
It's ground beef.
What? What else, Kuya? What else? What's your joke?
I don't know. I just don't need to.
But still, my favorite joke is the
French
extra
fries.
French fries. The other one, what was the other one?
Which one?
The other joke? About rice again? What is that? There was one. Aside
You're
from...
doing that yoga.
Ah, yoga. Okay.
No, that.
Yoga. The yoga ba?
Dinner, please. Dinner, please.
Again. You tell them.
Dinner, please.
I'm tell them first. I'm gonna do a
Dinner,
yoga.
please.
I'm gonna do a yoga.
Dinner, please. Dinner, please.
How about that? What? How about the exercise?
Hurt daw yung tuhod mo, te.
Ah, may to. Yeah. No.
Yun yung pinagbibigyan.
Lahat na lang dito. Tell them about the exercise. Oh my God, I need talaga ay. Akala ko nabulunan ako kanina. Hindi ako pwedeng magkasakit kasi... may
Oh look,
tightness.
I'm beast. No, you're obese. Go exercise. Goes to the fridge, grabs fries. Why are you eating fries? Oh, I thought you said extra fries.
It's still the best joke ever in my entire universe. I love that joke with Kuya Ai. You know what? It's for real. It's like true to life story. You know, it fits to the Kuya, to the speaker. Kuya, it fits perfectly to the speaker.
Okay, bye bye. Alright.
Show them your plate. Finish all.
Finish. Bye bye.